How to change your height on Oculus Quest 2. I'm going to show you how you can easily change your height on Oculus Quest 2. The avatar height setting lets you adjust your height of your avatar in real time without the need for extra mods. First, open your action menu. If in VR, hold down B, or if on desktop, press R. Then go to Extensions and then Quick Actions. On the left, select Avatar Height, which will open a dial. Use this to enlarge or reduce the size of your avatar. If you would like to match the eye height of someone you're talking to, you can do the following. If in VR, press B and then point and click on the other user using the trigger button. Scroll in their profile page until you see Match Eye Height. If on desktop, hold down Shift to use your mouse, then click on the other user. Scroll in their profile page until you see Match Eye Height. Creators can set specific scaling ranges and triggers or even disable scaling entirely in their worlds.